Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export SketchUp scenes. All right. As you can see here, I have my scene available. Now, what we're going to do first is just basically, if you want to rename the scene, for example, here, we're going to want to go to our window right here, default tray and show tray. As you can see, when we go to scenes right here, you can go ahead and rename your scene number 1. For example, zoom in. All right. Description from Arial. Then you can go ahead and tick on this one right here if you want to include animation, of course, the camera location, and so on and so forth. You can do this as well on other scenes. Rename. All right. Once you have everything in place, just go ahead over to file right here. Then go to export. All right. Then go to animation. As you can see here, it will be saved by default on MP4 H.264 video format. All right. If you want to change this one, just go ahead and click on the drop down right here and click any file type that is available for video. All right. Now, in the file name, just rename this one, for example, sample scene SK. All right. Once done, just hit on export. I'm going to save it on my desktop so we can easily locate it and wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, exporting animations, and the frame count is here as well. Estimated time and estimated size. All right. It's done. And as you can see here, when we go to our desktop, we can easily see our sample scene right here. And when we double click on it, and as you can see, we have just created a sample scene. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.